Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you feel like sharing some of your picks, leave them in the comment section. I'm going to need your guys' help on finding some cannabis stocks. I don't really know that much about it, but I know that these are all bottoming and that some of the bigger companies, which are the leaders, have already taken off. Some of the small companies, they're kind of, they're held down right now and they haven't taken off yet. So I'm going to need your help to know what cannabis stocks do you guys like that are small companies and why do you like it? Please put that in the comment section. So I'm going to talk about some of the big boys that I talked about earlier. Look at the charts, show everybody that they're bottoming and what this bottoming process looks like. So I'll jump in here. Cannabis stocks update. I gave a video about a month ago on the cannabis stocks and how they were in the middle of a bottoming process. Today, it looks like they've bottomed. So if you want to purchase, I would be purchasing them now. I wouldn't be delaying. And I'll show you the charts to show you what I mean by that. These are the leaders. These are the major growers and the leaders of the pack. And typically what happens is the leaders take off first, then the smaller companies kind of lag behind it, and then they eventually take off. So what I'm asking everyone on this channel is, what are some cannabis companies that are smaller, that are still in their bottoming process? What do you like about them? What are they changing the industry? I found two companies that are trying to make beverages out of marijuana, and I think they might be doing pretty well. One's already taken off, the other one's kind of sitting down there. I'll share those in another clip. But if you have some good smaller cannabis companies, please put them in the comment section. I'm going to show you what these charts look like now, the ones that are now taking off and putting in bottoms. I'll share my clip of the original bottoming process in the description below if you're interested in watching that one as well. So here's APHA, APHA. You can tell it was in this channel going across and it broke to the upside. We've got lots of volume here. I bought it at 450 is what I got on this day right here, because I remember sharing that with everyone. But man, it's doing pretty well. It's definitely putting in a bottom. It's not too late to buy this if you want to purchase it. It just broke out to the upside. Cronos, C-R-O-N, another one that I was looking at. I think we bought it somewhere in here maybe. And now it's up quite a bit. It looks like it's putting in, and this is a very, it's higher than this one here. I would say it's bottomed, so now is a good time to be purchasing it. This is the lowest risk spot to be purchasing right now. So if you're interested in buying CRON, I would go ahead and buy it. TLRY, T-L-R-Y, this was another one that broke a large downtrend. It came through here, the downtrend did. It pulled up and pulled back to back test the top of it. This is where I bought some. I bought some in here as well before the break. So I bought here and I bought here. And it looks like it's going higher. We got the volume coming in and it's indicating and stepping in saying, yep, it's confirming this is a bottom. So if you like TLRY, if you like any of these companies, I'd go ahead and buy them now is probably something that I would do. Obviously it's up to you on what you want to do. Here's ACB. This is a very, it's got the characteristics of most bottoming patterns. You've got some volume step in, it pops higher and then it leaks back out. Then you start seeing these big up days all interjected and it shot higher. This here was a massive move. It went from like $4 to $12 very quickly. Then it comes back, and this again I would be a buyer here as well. And now it popped way higher. That was a 30% up day, a little down day, and another 20% up day. This is putting in a bottom. Go ahead if you want to put a little bit of money in here. It's up to you, but it looks pretty good. Here is Canopy Growth Corp. This one's got a very nice clean bottom. It's already bottomed. We've got the volume stepping in all over the place. Kind of went sideways and then popped higher. And usually when they pop higher, they kind of hang out here, or sometimes they back test off the top and then head higher. And that's exactly what this is doing. So if you want to buy this, if you like CGC, go ahead and pick some up. I think I bought some in October, so I think I bought some, I don't know, maybe in here or so, somewhere in here. So it looks pretty good to go ahead. So conclusion here, these are the leaders in cannabis. I think I'm looking at some of these small companies in cannabis. they're typically going to follow the leaders. Some of the chart patterns look very good. I think we should be looking at some of these smaller companies now if you're interested in the cannabis area to put some investments in the ones that are kind of lagging. We see those sectors that, the leaders in the sector moving higher. The smaller companies are next. So my question to everyone on the channel is, what are the best smaller cannabis companies in the world to take advantage of this trend? And what could be some disruptors in this sector? One of the companies that I was looking at, I'll disclose it now, is it's oil. They make oils. It's Next Leaf Solutions is the company's name. Oils can be put into edibles. They can be put into drinks. They're working with, I think it's Canbevra. They're working with a company to put this into beverages. And if they are successful in doing so, I would imagine that they were going to make a buttload of money. So, what companies do you guys see out there that maybe are better connected to this sector? I'm not very well versed in this sector. A lot of these companies I gathered from someone else on the channel and looked at the charts and said, holy crap, this looks great. So if you can step in here, help me out, tell me some small companies that you think are very good, and tell me why you think they're good. And I'll look at the charts, I'll help everyone, and I can create another video to make sure everyone has the upper hand for buying these at a bottom. So this is Finding Value. Hopefully you enjoyed this clip. Please subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and leave some comments. Thank you.